I don't know what to say. Thank you.
What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with Papa's Cots Garage here. I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on what I've been working on and getting straightened out. So let me turn the camera around here quick. I got some things lined up that I'm gonna do to the bike. Primarily add lights to it, just because I ride a lot at night. Might do a little bit of work with the lawnmower right here. I haven't quite decided yet. Probably paint the deck, rebuild it, rust prevent it, make it, do some maintenance. And then I got the truck right here that I'll be doing some work to. 86 Chevy K10. Doing a manual swap, swapping U-joints over from 1310s, I believe, to 1410s. Nice big beefy ones. Gotta get this thing up and running. So this is gonna be the major thing that I'll be working on the most, is this right here. But one of the things I gotta do is I gotta get my workbench built, which is all cut up into pieces and assembled, ready to go. And I gotta organize my garage yet. I just got electrical hooked up yesterday. So I gotta get everything all set up and ready to go. And now I wanna update you guys on something else that I don't really wanna put on the Facebook group. So if you're watching this, Scott and I are actually trying to sort out some ideas on little tiny segments that we can do. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to call them or anything like that, but keep an eye out for those. I'm also in the works on getting something different that we haven't seen on the group or on YouTube yet. Something just completely different that we haven't done. Now, one thing I want to do is I want to do stuff just kind of like on my workbench, small, fix small things, like little turbo heaters, space heaters, just small stuff, just some just kind of keep things interesting, pretty much anything with a wrench. So guys, if you're on the Facebook group, post up what you're doing, post up your workbench, post up, you assembling your workbench, working on it, your motorcycles, your whatever you got in your garage that you work on yourself, post that stuff up. Let's see it. I'd love to see what you guys got going on. Scott would love to see what you guys got going on. So don't be afraid, somebody might say something stupid about it, but you know what? Let them hate. Post it up. Let's see what you got going on. This is for everybody, not just me, not just Scott. It's for everybody. So get out in your garage. Start working on something. Plenty of things out there that need to be done. Let's get to it.